How to use Telegram channel checklist. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can use Telegram channel checklist. A Telegram channel checklist can refer to two main things: creating and optimizing a new broadcast channel, or utilizing the interactive collaborative checklist feature for group tasks. Now, simply open up any group or your sequences. Then tap the attachment menu that you should find. So once you open up the group, tap on the attachment menu at the bottom of your screen and you'll be able to see this option here. Now you can see here the checklist option. You can select checklist option. From here you need Telegram Premium for it, but once you have it, you can create a checklist here for task, and you can add your task and send members of the group can tap individual items to mark them as done. Similarly, if you want the channel creation and launch checklist, you can first set a clear searchable channel name that targets your niche, then description, write accompanying bio detailing what you post, posting frequency and such, and you can upload picture, and you can choose a public channel to build a permanent link or a private channel for restricted access, and you can set it up. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.